Hello guys, how to fix PR Connect reset error on your Google Chrome browser on your Windows 11 and 10 system. Such type of error message appears: secure connection failed, PR Connect reset error. And to fix this issue, the first and initial workaround is disable proxy and VPN on your system. Press Win plus I shortcut key to launch Windows settings of your system, and here go to network and internet settings from the left side, and from the right side choose VPN connection. If you have added any VPN connection to your Windows system, then simply disable it and remove any added VPN connection on your Windows system. This is the first and initial workaround. And the second one is go back and on the same page choose proxy server settings and disable this proxy server settings also. Sometimes any VPN and proxy server may create some type of error, so you should disable VPN and proxy server settings and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, launch your Google Chrome browser, and from the top right corner click on three vertical dot and choose settings. Click on settings, and from the left side choose privacy and security. We will now clear Chrome browser history, cookies and caches data, and files history. Clear browsing data, click on it. Clear history, cookies, caches and more, and here under advanced tab make the check against option browsing history, download history, cookies and other site data, and also cached images and files, and finally choose clear data. It will clear your browser history and helpful to fix various type of Chrome browser related errors and issues. So you must clear your browsing history and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, again go to three vertical dot from the top right corner, and here look for option extensions. If you have any extensions added to your Chrome, click on manage extensions and disable all the extensions added to your Chrome browser. Simply turn the toggle button off again all the extensions and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes and you may re-enable your extensions. The next error is go to control panel of your system, and here click on network and settings, Windows Defender Firewall. Click on it. Here in control panel window from the left side choose turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off, and turn off Windows Defender Firewall under private network, and turn off Windows Defender Firewall under private public network, and click on OK and check whether your error is resolved. If resolved, again you turn on Windows Defender Firewall because it's a security related issue and your error will definitely resolve.